What is up, guys? In this video we are going to be taking the glove box or glove compartment out of this Subaru. This is a 2006 Subaru Forester, although the process is very likely similar for other Subaru models, and there are several Phillips screws you're going to need. So basically the only tool you really need to do this job is a Phillips screwdriver of some sort, and all the bolts or all the screws are the same except for two screws that I will show you guys in just a sec. So if you're going to be doing this in your car, I would recommend leaning the passenger seat all the way back like this, and then you can take your shoes off just so that you don't trash up the seat too bad. Basically, to get a good angle on it that's slightly ergonomic, and just kind of lie back down like you're doing a crunch or something. Yeah, so underneath the car you've got one Phillips here, another Phillips there, as well as another Phillips right there, and a fourth one right here. And so the two outermost Phillips, this one and this one, are the ones that have pointy ends on them, and then the two inner Phillips, this one and this one, they're not pointy. So what I mean by that is, if we take one of these out, they don't have a little tip on them, and that's normal. You didn't break it taking it out. That's just where these two things are supposed to go. And so that's an important thing to note. I'm just going to screw this back in so we don't forget. Also, do not over torque these because it's plastic and you don't want to break the plastic. So just like that is enough to kind of hold it all together. So I would start by taking out the four Phillips screws on the bottom, and then these two outer ones right here are identical to all the others in length, and they all have the same thing. And then the other thing you're going to do is just basically open the glove box, and then you can see access to another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips screws. So you got 5 Phillips up top. Remove those out, and then you can remove the 4 on the bottom, so that's 9 in total. And then after you've done that, this thing is held in with some plastic tabs that go kind of directly into the console. So what you want to do is like pull it out this way, just so you don't drop it down, because you don't want to break the little plastic inserts that are kind of holding it in place. So pull this thing directly out after you've removed all of these screws, and then you're good to go. You have successfully removed your glove box in your Subaru. So I hope this video helps. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and wash your hands, and I'll talk to you next time.